life come with rise and fall. But through the storm, we still stand tall. Hear me now, eh. So this how it feel when you lose that friend. Me heart heavy, but me not pretend. The memories still there on replay. Laugh and talk from the good old days, but everything changed, people drift away. Promises break like buckle pan clay. Still me hold firm, can't ball every day. Cause Jah know me got to find my way. So me I ride the wave to a brighter place. Wash off the earth, me can't live in a hate. My soul still strong, though me feel the pain. Life can't sweet if you no face the rain. Me ride the wave, yeah, me ride the wave. Find my peace when me meditate through the storm. Me elevate, no bitterness, me emancipate. Them say time heal, but me still feel torn. My spirit bruised, but me heart reborn. Some say me change, me say me grow. The same man, just wise I know. Me see friends turn strangers, love turn cold. But every story got a lesson for all. Life a teacher whenever done preach. So me move from the pain and my sight me reach. So me a ride away to a brighter place. Wash off the earth, me can't live in a hate. My soul still strong, though me feel the pain. Life can't sweet if you no face the rain. Ride the wave, yeah, me ride the wave. Find my peace when me meditate through the storm. Me elevate, no bitterness, me emancipate. Me no blame nobody, me release them chain. Me forgive, me live, me clear my brain. Me a see help and see of change. From darkness me rearrange. No more sorrow, no more rage. My story still on the next page. So if you lose your friend, hold faith my friend. No everything lost, me no real dead end. Me still a sing, me still a mend. Cause life move on till we meet again.